1898, when the GM industry was still in its infancy, Dr. Arpad Pushtai from the Rowett Research Institute in Aberdeen uncovered a shocking truth about species manipulation while he was conducting a GMO experiment on rats. Pushtai found that when his rats ate genetically modified potatoes, they developed cancerous cells in their intestinal tracts and brains. When his research went public, Pushtai was bombarded with criticism from the food industry and academics who said that his experiment was flawed. His research was effectively quashed by the big GMO players. His career was publicly ruined, and GMO was left to blossom into the $16 billion seed industry that it is today. GM foods could very well be the technological miracle that we are after. By creating herbicide and pesticide-resistant crops, we might be able to provide an adequate food supply for a growing world population and get closer to beating starvation and malnutrition. But disrupting DNA is a tricky business, and skeptics don't think these code-scrambling scientists have a proper understanding of what is really happening in our DNA. Jeffrey Smith is a consumer activist and the executive director of the Institute of Responsible Technology. His research taught him that when biochemists insert a foreign gene into new DNA, they can't determine where it's going to end up on the DNA strand. Depending on where the new gene lands, it has the potential to disrupt traits that are already expressed naturally within the organism, and this can cause some truly weird and devastating results. In 1985, a group of pigs were pumped with a human growth hormone that was designed to make them grow bigger and faster than normal, but the procedure didn't go according to plan. The pigs were born severely deformed. Some didn't even have an anus or genitals. And who's to say this won't happen again?